We found this old Singer sewing machine, and it has some of these little broken wooden tabs that actually go on here, and it holds kind of the machine in place. So I got to glue them together and take this machine all apart, clean it out really good, put it back together, and see if it works. Well, I took this apart, and the wiring is so brittle on this old machine that I have to replace all of the wiring here. It's been taped up and stuff like that. There's bare wire showing right here. So yeah, we have to replace all the wiring on this machine. But we'll get her going. Well, it seems to run okay. Now we have to try and see how it sews. Now look at that.
Yeah, still doing something weird, but it's sewing.
Well, as long as it's sewing, it's a start, right?
Yeah. See, it's sewing. Haha, it is sewing.
So maybe we just had to
Maybe
talk about it.
Well, yeah.
No, the bobbin, I think the bobbin thing was all twisted in there.